If you are watching our video for the first time, click the subscribe button for more interesting videos and click the bell icon to receive instant notification whenever we upload a new video. Hi, in this video we are going to see drafting of kurta or dress. First, draw the reference line. Before that, we'll see what are the measurements required for drafting the kurta: shoulder, full length, bust length, waist length, hip length, chest round, bust round, waist round, hip round, sleeve length for small sleeve and for 3/4 sleeve, sleeve open for small sleeve and 3/4 sleeve, arm round, armhole, neck width, neck depth for front and back. So these are the measurements required for drafting. Now using set square, draw the reference line. In the reference line, mark half of shoulder. So fold the tape into half to find the half of shoulder. Here it is 8.5. Mark 8.5 on the reference line. Before marking your half of shoulder, mark 7.5. If your half of shoulder is more than 7.5, you can skip this part. From 7.5, mark 1 inch down. Assume your shoulder is 12, so half of that will be 6. Mark 6 on the shoulder line, and I am marking standard neck width to 3/4. Now connect from neck width to the point 1 inch. Now draw the line perpendicular to the half of shoulder. So this will be your shoulder slope according to your body type. If your half of shoulder is beyond 7.5, then you can skip this process. Now I am marking 1 inch from half of shoulder. And marking the neck width as 3/1/4. Standard neck width is 2 3/4. I would prefer wider neck for XXL size. Back depth is 1 inch and front depth is 5 inch. Now connect the neck width and the neck depth. Here I kept back neck as 1 inch. In my upcoming video, I'll explain you if you increase the back neck, what are the changes will happen in arm line. Now connect neck width and the shoulder slope. Using French curve, draw the neck shape. I am giving a round neck here. From the slope, you have to mark your arm round. Here it is 15.5. Have to mark half of your arm round. Fold the tape into half and find the half of arm round. So it is 7 3/4. From the slope, mark 7 3/4 and draw the perpendicular line from the slope point. and draw the horizontal line for that 7 3/4 marking. So this will be your chest line. Now you have to mark all the length measurement, bust length, waist length and the hip length. From the neck, come down by 12 inch. This is your chest line and this will be your bust line. And again come down by 17 inch. This will be your waistline. And again come down by 22 inch. This is your hip line. And move down to mark your full length. Full length here is 45. We don't have enough sheet for marking the full length. So let it be, we can mark it in the fabric. Now extend the dots to the lines. I'm using the set square so that you can align and make a straight line. Now all the length measurements are done. Now we'll mark the round measurements. In the chest line, mark 1/4 of your chest round. Chest round here is 41.5. So 1/4 of that will be 10 1/4. And mark 1/4 of your bust round. Here it is 11. And mark 1/4 of your waist round. And 1/4 of your hip round is 12. After marking this, we are going to give ease. Ease is the extra inches given to make your fabric comfort. For large size, you have to give 1 inch ease. For medium thread, you have to give 3/4 ease. For tight fit, you have to give 1/2 inch ease. For body fit, you have to give 1/4 ease. Here I am going to give 3/4 ease. So I am adding 3/4 extra to the chest round. You should not add ease to the bust point. If you are adding, you will not get a proper fit. I am adding 3/4 ease to the waist and I am giving 1/2 inch ease to the hip. From the hip, you will get openings, so I am giving 1/2 inch. You can even give 1/4 ease. Connect from chest round to waist round. While connecting, bust round point should come inside the line. So if it is not coming, now I am moving the scale and marking the line because I have minute difference. So just like that, moving the scale, I have drawn the line. While drawing the line, the dot should come, bust round dot should come inside the line. It should not go outside the line. In that case, if it is not coming inside the line, you have to increase the ease in the chest round and the waist round. So like you can increase 1/4 minimum to 1/2 inch. So if you are increasing 1/2 inch, sure it will come inside. Using hip curve, connect the waist round and the hip round. And from the hip round, draw the straight line. Now we'll move to arm part. To find the midpoint of arm round, place the tape on the arm round, fold it, you will get your half of arm round measurement. mark it, and from the midpoint mark 3/4 inwards. After marking, place the French curve and draw the curve. Place the tip of the French curve to the shoulder slope and connect to the 3/4 point. Move the French curve towards the curve, and the curvier part should fall on the chest line, and draw the smooth line. So this will be your front arm. Now align the set square to the arm line and draw the front curve. So this is the intersection point. This should come inside the chest round. Now you have to cross check your arm measurement using armhole measurement. So armhole here it is 19.5. Using this you have to check the arm curve. Walk the tape around the curve like this. You have to start from the shoulder point, shoulder slope. Move the tape along the curve. So while moving the tape, you have to move till the chest round, till here. Should not stop before that. So now I am starting from the shoulder slope to measure. So it is 10/1/4 here. Place the 10/1/4 again on top of the line and start measuring the back arm. So here I am getting exact 19.5. If you are getting more than the measurement what you need, you have to shift the line upward. Like this chest round should be shifted 1/2 inch upward. So if you are getting less than the measurement what you require is, you have to shift the line downwards 1/2 inch. In my upcoming video, I'll explain you this in detail. Now the pattern is ready to cut. Cut the outer lines. Pattern is ready. Thank you.